Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make kofta curry or Indian meatballs in gravy. Kofta can be made from vegetables, cheese, or meat. In this video, I'll be using ground meat. You can use ground lamb, beef, pork, chicken, or turkey. For the meatballs, we'll need grated garlic, grated ginger, and finely chopped green chilies. Grated onion. I peeled an onion, kept it whole, and grated it on the large holes of a box grater. Finely chopped cilantro and mint leaves. For the spices, garam masala, ground coriander, and ground cumin. For the gravy, cumin seeds and fennel seeds, ground coriander, chili powder, ground turmeric, and garam masala. Chopped red onion, chopped garlic and ginger, green chili slit in half, and tomato sauce. You can also use fresh tomatoes or tomato puree. Heat up a pan and add oil. When the oil is hot, add the cumin and fennel seeds. They'll sizzle and turn color. You'll smell them and know they're done. Add the chopped red onion. Cook for a minute, then add the chopped garlic, ginger, and slit green chilies. A little salt. Saute until golden brown. While that's cooking, make the meatballs. To the ground meat, add the ground cumin, coriander, and garam masala, salt, grated onion, grated garlic, ginger, and finely chopped green chilies, mint leaves, and coriander leaves. Mix it up with a fork. Don't forget to stir the onions in between. Mix the meat up well with your hands. Form into balls. I made large balls. You can definitely make them smaller if you prefer. Set the meatballs aside while we finish the sauce. I try to save time in the kitchen, so I'm doing both parts at the same time. But you can definitely finish the sauce first and then make the meatballs if that's easier. The onions are golden brown. Now add the ground coriander, turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. Pour in the tomato sauce. A little salt. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the oil has separated and the mixture becomes thick. Remove it from the pan and let it cool a little. This is the thick paste that's going to make a rich, creamy gravy without adding any cream. Once this is cooled for a few minutes, put it into a blender. Add a little water and blend until smooth. Pour that back into the pan. Now add water to the blender to get out all that good stuff. Pour that into the pan and mix to combine. Bring this up to a boil. Add salt. This is kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. If you can get it, add some. Otherwise, you can leave it out. Now add a little sugar or ketchup. You need a tiny bit of sweetness to balance out all the other flavors. Ketchup is a magic ingredient. It's sweet and a thickener, so just a little goes a long way. Put the meatballs in the sauce. Cover and bring to a boil. Turn down the heat to medium-low and cook for about 25 minutes. I'll turn the meatballs halfway through cooking. Taste one to make sure it's done. The meatball's cooked. It's soft and so flavorful from the grated onion, spices, and herbs. It tastes really fresh. The sauce is perfectly seasoned, and I could just drink it, it's that good. Serve this kofta curry with naan, chapati, or over rice. By the way, this recipe makes a lot of meatballs and gravy, so you'll have leftovers, which is great because the curry tastes even better the next day. I hope you like this recipe as much as my family does. If you want to get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.